Data-driven success, leveraging analytics for channel growth and viewer engagement. Introduction. In this video, we delve into the realm of data analytics and its pivotal role in measuring channel performance. Discover how leveraging data-driven insights can not only guide strategic decision-making, but also serve as a compelling incentive for viewers to follow the entire series on the Make Money channel. Content outline 1. The power of data analytics. Explore the significance of using tools for data analysis and understanding audience behavior. Highlight the various metrics available for assessing channel performance. 2. Strategic decision-making. Discuss how data insights can inform strategic decisions for content creation and channel optimization. Showcase examples of successful channels that attribute their growth to data-driven strategies. 3. Viewer engagement metrics. Introduce key metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and subscriber growth as indicators of viewer engagement. Demonstrate how analyzing these metrics can guide content adjustments to better resonate with the audience. 4. Optimizing content for success. Share techniques on tailoring content based on audience preferences revealed through data analysis. Emphasize the importance of adapting to trends and viewer feedback for sustained growth. 5. Encouraging series follow-through. Illustrate the benefits of watching the entire series on the Make Money channel through data-backed success stories. Implement calls to action that motivate viewers to explore the full content offering. 6. Personalizing viewer experience. Discuss how data analytics can aid in personalizing content recommendations for individual viewers. Highlight the positive impact of a personalized viewing experience on audience retention. 7. Future-proofing with data. Explore how ongoing data analysis can help adapt to evolving viewer preferences and trends. Encourage viewers to stay informed about upcoming content by subscribing for continued value. Conclusion. In conclusion, the video emphasizes the transformative impact of data analytics on channel success. By harnessing the power of data-driven decision-making, content creators can not only measure performance, but also optimize their channels for sustained growth. Viewers are invited to join the journey on the Make Money channel, where data-driven insights pave the way for valuable content and strategic evolution.